Hey guys, it is January 9th, 2018. My favorite team in college football lost last night. This is one of my cousin's shirts. But nevertheless, the market still keeps moving despite winning and losing football games. So the market in general over the last 24 hours came back up again, and had a little dip and a little baby dip. When we look at the 7-day, we can see that we're starting to come back from that relatively hard correction of, $100 billion. Bitcoin's price action's actually been pretty intriguing. So again, guys, a few days ago, it dipped down to almost 1,200, and then it has come back up. It reached 17K again 3 days ago, and then we had this crazy bounce last night, or yesterday, all the way down to 13.7, and it's kind of struggled to break this, which one is this? I'm going to say that's probably like the 10-day SMA. In general, though, Bitcoin is just kind of slowing down its momentum, but knowing the product and the branding behind it, they'll pick back up pretty soon. Ethereum, long-time Ethereum holder, big fan of the project, has been sitting pretty. I mean, it's gained $1,000 in USD over the last 24 hours, and our Bitcoin comparative has gone up by 10%? Yeah. So I'm quite happy. I think Ethereum is honestly worth a lot more than this. I think $118 billion market cap for what is a currency that is processing more transactions than the entire market combined is, a low valuation for that. So we have some market movers. Ripple, again, guys, I'm sorry if you're holding Ripple. You're still doing well. You're still 10x over the last couple months, but it has crashed pretty hard in comparison to its unsustainable growth. Bitcoin Cash is kind of climbing back. Cardano is still on the slide. We have a lot of just tokens here that have had some interesting price actions. During the football game last night, I had a beautiful time looking at my icon. It peaked at almost $12, and it makes me really happy. Again, I'm an investor. This is not financial advice, but I have been a part of this project. I'm a huge fan of the team. Neo has had another good day. We just have a lot of Verge. It's recovering really nicely from the correction it had. We just have a lot of projects that are getting the recognition they deserve as Bitcoin continues to cool off. Bitcoin dominance is down to 33.7, which is super low in comparison to last year at this time. It's just a different world, a different market, and we're just getting closer and closer to $1 trillion. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.